Hey guys, welcome back to Benos Esther Malka's channel. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe because every week we do another educational game review. On today's game, we have Fishing for Numbers, and it's by Teacher Created Resources. So, after giving this video a thumbs up, we are going to do an unboxing. We'll head over to our gameplay, along with educational suggestions that just might work for you guys, and we'll finish off with my personal opinion. So, first of all, this is a pretty nice size box, as you could see here. It's colorful, and you know what? The kids enjoyed it, so this is just like really nice. The box it's a lift flap like this. This was something that it's my pet peeve, something you should be aware of. Not all the kids can, actually put it back, but you know what? You teach them, they learn, and not a big deal. Inside the box, you have this pretty big board. As you can see here, it takes up the whole screen more or less. It's a very nice size, and it is super, super attractive. Just look at this fish, and look, I'm just going to show you my palm. Huge. And you know what? In a way, it reminds me of the rainbow fish, and that was a big hit. So, you know what? A winner over there. And it does fold up pretty nicely, so that's just something fun. Next, you have the spinner. Even and odd, really simple, and, just teaches a skill. And then you have 4 bags of counters. And you know what? I like, it comes in nice colors. It's not like your standard, no offense to red and blue, but like, these are nice. It comes with teals and purple, and they're transparent. So this was just a fun fact, just a fun little addition. And check out this beautiful board of Fishing for Numbers. You place it on the table, central location for all the kids, and you're good to go. As you can see, it has all these numbers, and they're basically 1 through 50. Next, you put down the spinner, and that is even and odd, and the game is really simple. Every player gets oops, there goes one, a bag of markers, and you spin the spinner. So if I get an odd number, let's say the green person is going to go first. So odd, I'm going to put it down at 13. Fairly simple. Oops, spin again for purple, and they are going to spin, oh, look at that, odd. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here 23. Because the goal of this game, which I like, is to get 4 in a row. Odd number. So guess what? Because purple blocked me here, I was going to go 3, get 4 in a row. Now I'm blocked. So I may go here to 33 and just, see what happens. Then oh, wow, we're all spinning odds tonight. So for an odd number, I may then go to 31. So look at that. I'm trying to, get some luck over there. Oh, even. So green gets even. So green might choose to go 32 and to build a strategy of 1, 2, 3, 4. So then, next one goes, it's an odd number. So we're going to go 39. And now we're getting close to our 4 in a row. It's odd. So I'm going to go 35. So if I get this number, even, that color wins. Odd again is to 50. So here's tricky. I got nothing in my row, so I'm going to go to 15. As you see, you just keep going and going until a player gets 4 in a row. 4 in a row could be diagonal. 4 in a row can be across, and it could be up and down. As in terms of diagonal, as you could see from the board, you just got to be a little bit creative in terms of the way it goes. Just one more educational tip, because you know what? I like this stuff. Get yourself two 10-sided dice, kind of roll the die, and then have the kids, add up the number. And if the number has an even ending, let them go on an even number. If it has an odd ending, then let them go for an odd number. Just another way to enhance the learning of fishing for numbers. So what do I think of Fishing for Numbers? 1 being, I love it. 2 being, you decide. And 3 being, stay away from it. I'll be honest, I'm going to give Fishing for Numbers a 2. And I'll tell you why. This game is I know it says here 3 levels of play. You know what? It's a very, very short-lived game. At the most, my students were playing it like once, twice, maybe 5 times. They weren't excited, even an odd number. It's not exciting, and there's not much they can do with it. I mean, yeah, we threw in some dice and we figured out ways to make the learning a little bit more fun. But like I said, it's Connect 4 just with a beautiful fish. Was it attractive? Yes. When they took it out, whoa, that's amazing. Yes. They were blown away by the beauty of the game. But at the same time, once we started to play, it was really a very short-lived game. So here's what I'm going to say based on my experience of using this both after school in my home school and during the day in my classroom school. As a teacher, if you teach the same grade and the same skills year after year, let me tell you, teaching evens and odds this way is definitely worth every single second. It is fun, it's different, and definitely beats the worksheets. However, if you're going to either A, you're a substitute, B, you're flipping around grades, or C, you're a homeschool mom, you know what? This game is not going to last you long. It is not a grow with me type of game, and like it says here, 3 levels of play. It just didn't cut it. Was it worth the price? No, I don't think it was worth the price. So if you really think about it, and let me know what you think. If you're going to get this game, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not, as you can see down below, YouTube turned off my comments. So click down below, head over to my Instagram page where I am fully accessible. Let me know what you think of this game and why